How to find your page information on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your page information on Facebook app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there and click on how to media, which is your page. Now all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on the second option, which is page info, and here you have all your page information, your update page info, and this is it. This is how you find those informations: location, action buttons, contact, hours, more of information. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like.